How to make payments to EdFin through Remita. Go to www.remita.net. In the Who Do You Want to Pay box, type EdFin. Click on EdFin Microfinance Bank. You will be directed to the EdFin Microfinance Bank platform. Select the name of service or purpose. Fill in the amount to pay. Fill in payer's name. Fill in payer's phone number. Fill in email address. Confirm email address. Click on I'm not a robot. Then click Submit. After submission, 5 payment channels will appear. Choose Card. Fill in your ATM card details. Click on Pay and an OTP will be sent to your phone and email linked to the card account. Enter the OTP and click on Pay. Once the transaction is successful, the payer's card account will be debited. A payment receipt will be sent to your email. Please forward the payment evidence and transaction information to your EdFin Relationship Officer. EdFin Microfinance Bank, enabling education for the future.